Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I with my teammate will be present to you about this subject is business and organization management. So this presentation will discuss a Toyota Motor Corporation, including its background and the key factor behind its global success. So this is the name of member in this group. So Imran Haris, Aiman bin Yunus. So me Ismail Haziq, Adi Rizwan, and Eng Yiling. So let's continue for the presentation today. So first of all, we go to the back Toyota work company Toyota. So the background, they're founded in 1937 by Kichori Kiichori Toyoda, the name of founder. The headquarters of Toyota is at the Toyota City, Aichi, Japan. So Toyota is a global presence and operates in 160 countries worldwide. So the Toyota is a big company in this world. So the product the Toyota made is passenger car, trucks, hybrid vehicle, and advanced fuel technology vehicle. So the brand reputation of Toyota not for high quality, reliability, and the innovation. The core strength of Toyota, a strong manufacturing system, uh, advanced technology, and trusted management practice. So many companies have vision and mission. So vision for your Toyota company is to lead the future mobility society with safe and responsible transportation. This is the vision uh, Toyota company. So second one is the mission Toyota. So the mission is to responsibly develop and delivery deliver energy and mobility solution. Yeah. So the mission is responsibility develop the product and they deliver the energy and mobility solution lah. So the solution solve the problem in manufacturing car. So the slogan for Toyota is "Let's go the palace." Let's go the place. Sorry. So continue next.
I am eating this part is role of the governing factor in farm performance. Introduction Toyota Motor Corporation is a global automotive company operation in manufacturing, marketing, and service. After the structural management progresses, focus on efficiency, quality, and continuous improvements. Strong government support farm performance. 2.2 Who is the responsible for the progress? The one is top management, set the strategic directions and visions, approve the initiative and monitor performance, influence the production and quality standard, led by Koji Seto and Akio Toyoda. The second is middle management, implement the strategy in daily operations, manage the production quality and teams, ensure the TPS compliance, oversee the R&D and global distribution. The third is the frontline employee, participate in Kaizen suggestions system, detect problem and maintain the standard. Accompany to start the production and Jidoga. The 2.3 The case of the progress. The one is ensure the consistent quality, maintain the high standard and customer safety, product, protect the brand, protect the brand and reputations, continue the monitoring and improvements. The second is reducing the cost and waste. Apply the J&T principle and react not value added activity. Minimize the overall production defect and delays. The third is Responding the competition's continued progress, improvements both the efficiency and innovation stay ahead of the competitor. The last is improving the productivity, encourage the employee problem-solving, learn from the mistake, enhance the workforce and production capacity. That is the all. Thank you.
So next, I will continue the presentation for the next point, which is to answer where does it happen rules governing factor in firm performance. So in 2.4, we know that the process location and setting for Toyota have 4 points. Uh, the first one is manufacturing plant. Toyota may decide Japan, Thailand, USA, and other countries for the manufacturing car. So in manufacturing plan, production management and quality control. So means that any product Toyota is done, so they need to know the quality control must have because it Toyota don't want any defect in that product. Kaizen and continuous improvement is the third point for manufacturing plan. So the second one is the research and development R&D. So in R&D, we know that innovate and develop a new product is the function of R&D. Test technology and improve the performance also is R&D center and enhance the reliability and safety. So R&D, as we know that they test the technology and then we before Toyota make a new car or product something to put in that in their product. So next is supply chain and logistic operation. So GIT inventory and timely deliver, monitoring supplier quality, ensure smooth production flow. So as for GIT inventory and timely delivery, so that means Toyota uh, have need to efficiency use the time in inventory. So no need to waste time for any order the parts order the part and wait the part to arrive at the manufacturing and the manufacturing plants lah, manufacturing plants, sorry. The last one is corporate office. So corporate office, the function is for strategic planning and governance, financial control and budgeting, so global coordination and leadership. So after we do some research in internet or an article, so we know that Toyota have a weakness in this era. So the weakness of Toyota is slow to adapt to industry trends. The second one is limited global manufacturing pressure and high risk. Convers- Conservative approach to EV, delay product and development. So Toyota have a weakness that they they slow to adapt in electric vehicle. So after they know it's slow to adapt in this electric vehicle industry, so they have strong competition from the Tesla, BYD, and Volkswagen. For the Lexus one, from Toyota company also, but same family. So the Lexus lacks a global prestige compared to BMW and Mercedes. BMW and Mercedes, they have a core model. So That's why the Lexus lack of global prestige. So next one is past recall and certification issues. Witness witness brand and reliability. This, the second last is supply chain constraint, semiconductor production delay. So lastly, it needs Toyota needs faster innovation, compliance, and consumer trust to rebuilding their brand. From the weakness, we can know that have any solution. So the solution method we choose is solution implement the Kaizen. Its main continuous improvement. Why we choose the Kaizen? So I like the with the Toyota philosophy, encourage small gradual to improvement, involve the all employees. So they encourage the small problems and then they solve the small problem and then growing up to all the problems. So the small problem is no more have problems. So Kaizen, all the employees are involved in this Kaizen. So we can use the Kaizen application. We can use Kaizen in EV development. First one is to improve R&D capabilities gradually and change the battery performance. So we know that R&D can test the technology, improve performance. So Toyota can enhance the battery performance, optimize the EV manufacturing, and employers idea and the problem solving. The employer idea means we can discuss or give me some idea, share the ideas to solve the problems. So the benefit of this Kaizen means faster innovation and market adaptation, cost saving and improvement quality. So incremental the upgrade from the feedback and better last one is better compete with Tesla and BYD because Tesla and BYD now is global EV production. For now is BYD but Tesla is second. So I will pass to next my teammate for present next points.
My name is Muhammad Adirizwan bin Ishamuddin. Now I will discuss about how Toyota applies management tools, specifically about planning in its operation. First of all, what is planning? Planning refers to setting goals and deciding in advance how to achieve them. In management, planning is very important because it helps a company stay focused, avoid random decision and work in a clear direction. For Toyota, planning is the foundation of effective management. Planning is especially important for Toyota because the company operates in the highly competitive automotive industry. Through planning, Toyota sets a long-term direction and ensures that its vision, mission, and technology goals are aligned. This allows all departments to work together towards the same objective. Toyota also faced many risks and challenges, such as intense competition, changing customer preference, and stricter environmental policies. Planning helps Toyota manage these challenges by forecasting future market trends, preparing alternative strategies, and responding proactively rather than reacting too late. In terms of operational efficiency, planning supports setting production targets, managing supply chains, and controlling costs. Toyota applies planning through the Toyota Production System, which have reduced waste, increase productivity, and maintain consistent quality standard. Planning is also important in Toyota Toyota's transition to electric vehicles. Toyota is shifting towards hybrids and electric vehicle by investing in solid-state battery technology and complying with global environmental regulation. Clear planning helps Toyota use resources efficiently and reduce uncertainty. In conclusion, planning provides Toyota with a clear roadmap for a long-term sustainability. It helps the company remain competitive, focused, and adaptable. Without proper planning, other management functions such as organizing and controlling cannot work effectively. Therefore, planning is essential to Toyota long-term success and performance. Okay, now I will continue about SWOT analysis for Toyota, which look at its strength, weakness, threats, and opportunities. Starting with strengths, Toyota's main strength is the Toyota Production System, or they call it TPS, which improve operational efficiency. TPS helps Toyota reduce waste, control production costs, and maintain high quality standards. In addition, Toyota has clear company goals that are shared with all employees, ensuring everyone works toward the same direction. Next are the weakness. Toyota nowadays are being slow in responding to the electric vehicle market compared to some competitors. For example, we can see there are such as like Proton and Tesla. The company also relies heavily on hybrid technology, which may limit its competitiveness in the full electric vehicle segment. Furthermore, large-scale recalls can increase costs and negatively affect towards brand image. Moving on to trades, Toyota faced intense competition from global automakers. The company is also affected by strict environmental and safe regulation. In addition, supply chain disruption and global uncertainties pose challenges to production and distribution. Finally, there are also several opportunities for Toyota. The global demand for electric vehicles nowadays is growing rapidly. Toyota has opportunities to expand into Asian markets such as India, China, and Korea. There is also strong potential in investing in electric vehicle batteries and hydrogen technology. Additionally, the development of self-driving and mobility service can create new source of growth. In conclusion, this SWOT analysis shows that while Toyota has a strong internal capabilities, it must address its weakness and threats while taking advantage of emerging opportunities to remain competitive in the future.
Hi, my name is Amir Yunus. Next, I'm gonna present about the impact of suggested solutions. Number one, the solution can increase the strategic clarity and focus. It defines the goals that are aligned with company objectives, vision, and mission. This means when Toyota set a goal that are aligned with objectives, vision, and mission, so it's gonna help Toyota to set a clear goal that match its long-term direction, vision, and mission. So it's gonna help Toyota to avoid from any random and unplanned decision. With proper planning, Toyota can avoid from any unnecessary decision making. For example, Toyota identify its low EV market share. Planning creates a clear EV roadmap. This means when Toyota identify their weaknesses in low EV market share, Toyota gonna use planning tools management to create a clear EV roadmap to solve the problem and increase their sale in the future. Number two, better competitive position. It helps to identify from internal strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, which is SWOT analysis. This allows Toyota to understand their capability. The capability like what they does well, where it needs improvement, also what the external factor that can impact the company. So with SWOT analysis, it assists to set realistic and strategic goals. This means based on SWOT analysis, Toyota can set a goals that are achievable. The goals that are capable to achieve that. For example, identifying critical gaps in the EV strategy and bold custom action plan. This means when Toyota identify their critical gaps in the EV strategy, they're gonna build a custom action plan to close those gaps and improve their performance. And number three, proactive in managing risks and opportunities. It helps identify industry trends such as growing demand for EV. This means Toyota they're gonna up to date with the latest trends. For example, like growing demand for EVs to make sure they always stay in the market competitive. So when Toyota always up to date with the latest trend, it gonna reduce Toyota dependence on last minute decision. When with a yearly planning and analysis, Toyota can avoid from any last minute decision making. For example, improve future forecasting. When Toyota already have the yearly planning, they have a good decision making, then it gonna lead Toyota to make a better prediction about future market and technology development. So that Toyota always be proactive when the problem arise in their internal company.
So the conclusion that can be made by the Toyota is actually the Toyota Motor Corporation performance management practice and also business strategy in the automotive industry. Toyota's success is driven by its strong vision and mission. Also effective performance governance and also the use of management system such as the Toyota production system, which is TPS, also Kaizen and just in time. It is which help maintain high quality and also operation efficiency. However, Toyota also face some challenges in adapting to new trends such as EV car development, supply chain disruptions, and increasing competition. By applying strategic planning and also the SWOT analysis, Toyota actually can better identify the challenge and also opportunities. Also, improve decision making and also strengthen its competitiveness. And overall, the continuous improvement and effective planning are essential for Toyota's long-term success and also sustainability growth in the global automotive industry. That's all from our group. Thank you.